Ever noticed that the keys on your keyboard aren't arranged in alphabetical order? Ever wondered why? It's a curious thing, right? This enigma, my friends, is what we're delving into today. Consider this the opening chapter in the intriguing tale of the keyboard's evolution. It's a narrative filled with innovation, competition, and yes, a dose of mystery. So, are you ready to solve this puzzle? Fasten your seatbelts as we are about to embark on a journey through time, exploring the fascinating history of the keyboard. Our story begins in the 19th century with the invention of the typewriter. This mechanical marvel initially sported keys in an alphabetical arrangement. However, the design proved problematic. Fast typists often caused mechanical jams as adjacent keys were struck in quick succession. To solve this, the keyboard was reshuffled into what we now know as the QWERTY layout. This new arrangement placed frequently used letters farther apart, reducing the likelihood of jams. Thus, the QWERTY layout was born, a design intended to reduce the frequency of mechanical jams. But why has the QWERTY layout survived, even in the digital era? It's all about familiarity and widespread use. The QWERTY layout, first introduced in typewriters, became such a standard that it naturally transitioned into the digital age. Even with attempts to introduce alternative keyboard layouts like Dvorak or Comac, none have gained significant traction. Why? Because change is hard, especially when it involves unlearning something as ingrained as typing. And so the QWERTY layout has endured, a curious relic of a bygone era. So there you have it, a trip through time, all because of a keyboard. We've delved into the curious origins of the QWERTY layout, designed not for speed, but to prevent mechanical jams. We've explored how this quirky design has endured, outlasting its competition and becoming the standard. Today, it's a testament to its own success, bridging the gap between the past and the present. Next time you type, remember the long history under your fingertips. Who knew keyboards could be so interesting?